All right, so let's put it all together. We've, like Mario in Mario 64, we've gone into this castle. There are only 3 rooms, though, in our chemical formulas castle. There are 3 rooms. They are ionic room. That is the world that has Roman numerals and charges and crisscross. What I would do, there's just 2 or 3 slides. This is one of the easiest things that we will do all year long. Find the acids notes, continue the notes on the back of the acids notes. So we've looked at 3 worlds. The ionic world, which is full of charges and Roman numerals and parentheses and crisscross. And then we studied the molecular world, which is the world of prefixes. And then yesterday, we studied the world of acids. Dude. All right, so. Marina. Thank you. All right. All right, so the target for today is, given a formula or name, I can determine whether it represents an ionic compound, a molecular compound, or an acid. Okay, what I would do is I would focus on writing down what's circled. Okay, focus on writing down what's circled. What are ionic compounds? Ionic compounds are made up of ions, not atoms. They are a metal, which is something on the left side of the zigzag line, plus a nonmetal, which is on the right side of the stair-step line. So a lefty-righty is going to be an ionic. A lefty-righty is going to be an ionic. In other words, if you encounter a compound that begins with a metal, it has to be ionic. It has to be ionic. Okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So if the first element you encounter is somewhere from the green side of this periodic table, ion. What are molecular compounds? They're made up of 2 nonmetals. It's a non-metal, non-metal. No metal. No metal. So if you're talking about, you're starting with something from the right side of the zigzag line. The right side of the zigzag line. If that's your first element, something on the right side of the zigzag line, molecular. It is molecular. Acids, very easy. They begin with hydrogen. And they have their own naming. So remember yesterday, they ended with it and us and hydro and all that jazz. So you can easily identify them by either beginning with hydrogen or by the ending, the ick, the icky ending. The icky ending. Okay, metal, ionic, non-metal, molecular, hydrogen, which is a hybrid. Hydrogen is a non-metal that identifies as a metal. That's going to give you an acid. So, how can we tell the difference between them? Look at the first element. If it's metal, ionic. If it's non-metal, molecular. If it begins with H, acid.